my name is Charlotte and I am the lead educator for Curlsmith. Today's video is going to be about how to fix moisture and protein overload. The hair needs a balance of moisture and protein to remain healthy. The lack of either one could lead to either moisture overload or protein overload.
Signs of moisture overload are lifeless, limp and fluffy curls.
You can experience moisture overload by excessively using products that contain moisture only and not having any protein in your hair care routine. The ultimate fix for moisture overload is our Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This is a pre-shampoo treatment. You would then follow with our Wash and Scrub Detox Clarifying Shampoo, followed by products from our Strength recipe range. Protein overload can happen when you use too many protein-based products in your hair care routine. Signs of protein overload are dry, stiff and brittle hair. The ultimate fix for protein overload is our Wash and Scrub Detox Shampoo and products followed from our Moisture recipe range. Ultimately, having a balance of both moisture and protein is essential for healthy hair. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.